Google is converting the Fitbit app into a centralized portal where you can see all about your health and fitness data. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Google's updating the Fitbit app on May 19th, after which it'll officially be called the Health app and will feature a new icon. If you're a Google Fit user, you'll get an invite to migrate your data into the new app later this year. In the new layout, you'll find 4 tabs: Today, Fitness, Sleep, and Health. If you pay for Google Health Premium subscription, those tabs will come integrated with the Health Coach as well. In Today, you'll find an overview of your stats and activities with insights from Health Coach if you have access to it. Under the Fitness tab, you'll find a workout library, a summary of your recent activities, and a weekly plan where you can save workout suggestions your Health Coach creates for you. Sleep tab will show you your sleep scores and duration, including a view of your total REM sleep. Finally, in the Health tab, you'll find your key vitals, including heart rate, weight, blood oxygen, and blood pressure. US users can even sync their medical records with the app to view lab results and medications within its interface. Google said data will be stored within the app itself, and you'll be able to control how it's used and shared. The company wrote, "We're committed to not using Fitbit user health and wellness data for Google Ads. The Fitbit app is now the Google Health app, and we continue to keep this commitment." On May 19th, the same day the Health app is rolling out, Health Coach, which was launched last year, will be exiting its preview status and will be available globally as part of the Google Health Premium subscription plan, formerly known as Fitbit Premium. The membership costs $10 per month or $99 per year, though it will be free for all Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers. You must have an eligible Fitbit or Pixel watch to access all this. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.